What's up, people? It's your man Black Cobra back once again, and today I finally did it, people. I finally got my hands on an Xbox Series X. I'm gonna open this bad boy up, take a peek at what's inside, spark up some Watchdogs Legion, and take you along for the ride. Let's go! All right, so this is all really thanks to my son. My 18-year-old son gets up at 5 in the morning and says, "Dad, I'm going to meet some friends in line. It's Black Friday." I said, "Okay." And then he hits me up later and lets me know that the Xbox that his friend just got for him was actually for me. I was very moved. As you can imagine, when your oldest son does something like that, you're like, yeah. Anyway, the only thing I didn't like was, of course, his friend didn't just get it for him. He sold it to him. So my son had to pay the difference. And I was like, not happy about that, because so many people are scalping these, buying them and selling them at higher prices, that it's become acceptable. And I honestly think that's a terrible thing. It really bothers me, and I can't believe that it has come to that. But obviously I blame Microsoft, I blame PlayStation, Sony, because they have not produced enough of these so that we won't have to worry about that. We still have to worry about it because they're not putting enough out for us. And with COVID going on and everything, the demand is crazy. So I'm really surprised that they don't have a lot more of these available. I really am. All right, let's take a peek. I'm excited. This is my man on the back here, Master Chief. I'm a gamer from way back, so Halo is still my #1. I know everybody's Call of Duty now, but Master Chief is still my man. All right, so let's crack this bad boy open. Of course, they have the little seal tape here. So I'm gonna just take them off. I didn't want to, but worried about it peeling off the color on the box, but we're just gonna get rid of that. Just get rid of that. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, I remember that this has, oh yeah. Oh, has a nice presentation value to it. This bad boy, this is what, I mean, it's not anything huge, but presentation, it matters. Just look at that. Just look at. Hold on. Let's just look for a sec. Let's just admire. All right, I know I need help. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna. Oh, yeah, this is that puppy right here. Oh, it actually is heavier than I thought. a little more weight than I thought it had. Wait, hold on. You know that's their motto, power your dreams. Yeah, let's do that. All right. Let's take that off nice and easy. All right. The bottom here. All right, we have a nice card to tell you about the app. And actually it does come with a controller, but I actually did get the Arctic Blue one because I thought it was pretty hot. So I grabbed that one too. So I will have 2 of them now. Let's put this over here. All right, you got a nice box of stuff here inside this. So we're gonna wait to open the. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna wait. Let's see. In here, we got the controller, like I said. And for those of you who don't know yet, who haven't seen that, they have changed it a little bit, and you can tell because it has a 3rd button. When you see that 3rd button, then you know that this isn't a Series X or a Series S controller. These are the new ones. That's how you can tell the difference. And they have a little texture on the back, on the sides right here, which I didn't realize. That little bit of texture and grip I like. And this is what we need here. The cable, as you've seen, I'm sure in other videos, no power brick. It's all housed inside now. And this is the important part, this super thick cable right here. Yeah, this is what's required to get those high 120 FPS on the games. To get that nice 4K 120 FPS, you need a really good cable. When you grab this and feel it, you know that this is a quality cable, and this is what's required to get what you need. All right, let's see. So I am guessing that is all we get. That's the total unboxing. Oh wait, we got to get to the main pièce de résistance. Here, let's put this here, put this there. Put this cable here, this cable here. Then we will, yes. Break it down. Yes. Ooh, she's pretty. She's heavy and she's pretty. Oh, there we go. Very nice. Here, we're gonna throw this back in here and we'll pop this over here. Here you go. Get the controller, the 2 thick cables, power cable, and the HDMI cable. And that's what you get inside when you get the Xbox Series X. This 1 terabyte SSD inside this bad boy. If you look to the back, I'm sure you've seen it already, but if you haven't, you can see on the back, it's got the USB cables, the USB slots here. It's got the 1 terabyte extension slot, and that's a proprietary Xbox Microsoft slot. The HDMI out, or the HDMI out, and the power slot. And of course, if you want to hit the Ethernet up, you have that as well. What I like, of course, is that nice green, you know. I may be partial to the green, I don't know. But I like the green coloring inside. You know, you have this, the button on the front, then the disc slot there, and on the bottom, it has rubber around this circle here that holds it at the bottom, but there is spots around it with holes everywhere for air circulation, which I like. You can lay it down if you need to, but it does have a nice small form factor that I really like. I really like the form factor that it comes with, because it'll fit anywhere. You can't really see it over here yet, but I have my Xbox, actually maybe you can. I have my my Xbox One X is over here. I'm gonna move that to underneath where my PlayStation 4 is still sitting. Move that down, move my my Xbox One X there, and I'm gonna take my Xbox Series X, and it will take its position right next to the TV. So we're gonna spark that up and get that set up so you can check it out and we can see what we got going on. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, here we go. So I know it's gonna need an update or something, I know. Let's see. There we go, spark it up. Yeah, you know, my instinct is to just turn off all the lights and just get into it. But I'm gonna hold off, Woo. Love the feel of this. It almost feels like the, it's not, obviously not quite as good as the Elite controller. This is the first version of the Elite controller. Seems like we got it up and running. It's got me excited already. Woo! Oh, Xbox Series X, baby. Ah. You know what's funny is I don't even have a lot of time to play. I am very busy between both my jobs and YouTube and writing and recording and making videos that I really don't have a lot of time to game, but getting new systems like this is still exciting. Now we gotta update the controller. I just decided to just use this one instead of using this nice Arctic blue one. I was already using this one with my other Xbox, so I'm gonna have to switch it over to this one, and I know this one's already connected, so I figured let's just use this one for now. But I love new stuff. Can I tell you how exciting? Okay. I know I'm a big kid. I can't help it. I can't help it. I just love the setup. I just love the look. It's pretty. So I do want to load up Watchdogs, but of course we're gonna have to install that too. So because this is just the unboxing and the setup and startup, I just wanted to show you a little bit. I'm not gonna go deep dive into any games today. How does this look? Do you want to keep your display at 4K or try another resolution? No, that's good. Let's keep display at 4K. Let's see. Let's see how long this takes. If this takes too long, then we're gonna cut it and leave it at that.
From a guy who knows a guy at Blue. Preloaded with the beta Blink OS. I can give it to you for 300 if you...
Finish up your scheme. There's work to do.
Can't be losing my edge bag, man.
Oh, it's game time, people. Time for a little Watchdogs Legion. This is the next edition in Ubisoft's Watchdog series, and let me tell you, this game looks amazing.
Getting to that generator ain't gonna be easy. They've locked it up tighter since I last saw.
The fuck do I do?
My news drones are still in here. They should be functional. You can use one of them. Probably have better luck piloting it too, yeah?
What I love about this game is all of the tech. You hack just about everything, take over all kinds of vehicles. In this particular mission, I'm finding a drone that's useful for this specific mission to get the job done.
Well, causing a power surge in a hybrid-powered generator isn't like making a toasty. We're going to need detailed specifications.
Alright, let's check that shit out.
Not only are you using the drone to fly around, but the drone also has the ability to take photos and incapacitate enemies when necessary.
Complicated. Newsy's got a pretty functional camera. Would a picture do you, Bagley?
It would indeed. According to this, there's an override code that'll get us into the generator's system.
After unsuccessfully trying to hide from this security patrol drone, I was ultimately able to incapacitate it and move on. Then I was discovered by a second security drone, and I wasn't as lucky as the first time.
That's it. Use the code on the generator and I can trigger a power surge.
It should be enough to take King's Cross offline. And the rail system too. Here we go.
I was ultimately able to hack the generator and end this mission successfully. Completing missions like this and liberating certain areas gives you certain benefits in this game.
We've got a gold mine of information out of St. Pancras. Albion convoys, informants, gear, you name it. Everything we need to ignite the people of London.
That was off the chain, mate. I knew DedSec weren't the bad guys Albion was saying. Now the rest of Camden will too. Thanks.
Thanks.
Now that you've shown the borough what DedSec is really all about, there are going to be folks wanting to join up. A lot of people have been looking for a way to fight back. In fact, there's one in particular I suspect will contact you very soon. I happen to know they're champing at the bit.
Fuck yeah. Welcome to the party, cuz.
I hope you enjoyed this little bit of gameplay from Watchdogs Legion. Love watching videos on the Xbox, catching up. Oh, Jedi Fallen Order, I do want to get back to that, but I want to get to the games that are optimized for it. Because, you know, a lot of the games that already are out for the system, once you play them on here, you're able to upgrade them to that Series X 4K version of the game. So those are the ones that I'm looking for. Like Mortal Kombat, I believe, has a 4K version. They haven't released a whole lot of 4K games that are strictly for the new consoles yet. Another sneak peek, I did get the Spider-Man for the PS5, but I'm waiting to get the PS5. So I just want the new next gen systems. I am still a gamer at heart, even though I don't have time to game. I just wanted to give you an unboxing. I wanted to give you an opportunity to see what the system was like, how setup works. I wish I had thought of it ahead of time and I would have did screen record so you could actually see. But you use the Xbox app, it connected to the app. That allowed me and helped me to connect the Xbox itself and then get it set up. Then I was able to use the settings that I had on my Xbox One X to set that up even faster. So that was pretty good. And since I have Xbox Ultimate, I am gonna download some other games. I'm gonna try to get the ones that are optimized, like I said, so that I can get the most out of it. I wanna see this 4K work. This is an LG 4K TV, so it has the capability. But other than that, I'm gonna wrap it up today. You know, you guys got what I was trying to give you. I was trying to give you a little insight, trying to give you a little sneak peek. If you're waiting to get your Xbox Series X, then you'll see what's in the box. Sometimes you don't want to see, because I didn't want to watch until I got mine. I was trying not to watch other people's because I wanted to be surprised, but I ended up doing it anyway. So I will tell you that the system feels heavy and premium. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels like you're getting what you're paying for. So I am waiting for the test to see just how good the performance is. But that's it. That's all I got for you today. I didn't want to make this one too long. I just wanted to give you a little idea of what it's like if you are going to get this Xbox. So that's all I got. If you enjoyed the video, if you enjoy what I do here, please go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and come back and check me out in other videos. Like I said, this is one of the few gaming videos I haven't done a lot. I know I go off in different directions time to time. Right now, I'm still on my electric unicycle. However, winter time's here, so with the winters coming the snow, and I may not be able to ride. Well, I know I'm not gonna be able to ride that much. I do have my ski boards that I'm gonna go hit the mountain with, but since I'm not gonna be out so much, I might be here a little more often. So I'll set it up a little bit better, get you guys all in so you can lock in and see what I'm doing. Come back if you wanna follow, check back whenever you want to. I hope you liked it. Until next time, it's your man, Black Cobra. I'll see you in the next one, and I hope you enjoy all of your gadgets and gear. Peace. And I'm out.